In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an account at Discover Bank. Step-by-step tutorial. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the website, picking the right account for your needs, and completing the online application smoothly. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Discover online banking page. Make sure you're on the legitimate site by checking that the address bar shows a secure connection with the lock icon and the discover.com domain. If you land on the main homepage, look for the banking or online banking section to get to the account options. For a smoother experience, close any unused tabs, ensure your browser is up to date, and, if possible, use a private or secure network rather than public Wi-Fi. If you think you'll revisit later, consider bookmarking the page so you can return quickly. Next, choose the account type that fits your goals. If you want to grow savings with a competitive rate, the online savings account is designed for that purpose and is great for building an emergency fund or setting aside money for future plans. If you need everyday spending features, the Cashback Debit Checking account pairs standard checking functionality with rewards on eligible debit purchases. Take a moment to read each account's details, such as the current APY for savings, any fees or requirements, and how cashback works on the checking side. Pay close attention to disclosures and fine print, since rates and terms can change. If you're undecided, think about how you'll use the account most often, saving consistently, paying bills, or using a debit card for daily transactions, and choose the one that matches your priorities. When you're ready, complete the secure online application. You'll be prompted for your legal name, current address, contact information, and other identifying details, so Discover can verify your identity. Enter everything accurately and ensure it matches your government-issued identification to avoid delays. Type carefully to prevent typos in your email or address. Review each field before moving forward and only provide information directly on the secure form, never over an unverified link. You may see brief disclosures or consent forms during the process. Read them so you understand how your information is used. Before submitting, take a final look at your entries, confirm they're correct, and then proceed as directed on the screen. That's it. Visit the official site, choose the account that fits you best, and complete the secure application. Once submitted, watch for confirmation and any follow-up instructions from Discover. Thanks for watching, and good luck opening your new account.